Welcome back to Welcome back to Stage Right Lighting. Today we're going to be talking about the Boom Box FX3. It's in the Startec Series from American DJ. This is more of an eye candy fixture, and the advantages of it is it's kind of a 3-in-1 combo, which you have a show mode to it, or you can have individual control of those three features. As you can see, we have 3 individual sections to this one unit. Right here operating is the RGB matrix, and you can see 9 RGB LEDs. In show mode, these will operate either sound active or just run various patterns and colors. In 52 channel DMX mode, you can have control over each individual diode, the red, green, and blue, and a master intensity. In this section, we have what they describe as kind of a Decker 2 version, smaller version of the Decker 2, which gives you this mirror ball effect or beam effect. It also has a beam shift in it that is controllable and will also activate in show mode at certain points. This is an RGBW, and it will vary in color and patterns, speed as well. Right here, we have what looks like a speaker cone. It's got various layers of depth. It's strictly for eye candy, using SMD LEDs behind frosted plastic, white plastic, for an even mix. In 52 channel mode, you can control each ring and each color of each ring, so you could get into some animating and different color washes. This unit is controllable by DMX, both a 3-channel mode and a 52 channel mode for even more control. It is also compatible with ADJ's IC Airstream and the UC IR remote. All right, subscribe to our channel. You can buy this at stagerightlighting.com or come by the store. And until next time, stay lit.